How to replace a Mortice Sash Lock. Once you've secured the door firmly with a wedge to stop it from moving while you work, carefully remove all the current door furniture, including the handles, spindle, and cover plate. To remove the lock case, turn the key to set the deadbolt out. Grip with a pair of pliers and pull away from the door. Take some measurements of your original lock, as doing so will help you when selecting your new lock. You'll need to make a note of 3 measurements: the case depth from the fore end to the case edge, the back set, which is from the fore end to the center of the follower or hole for the spindle, and the length of the fore end itself. Take a minute to compare the old and the new locks to make sure you have the correct size. We're replacing our sash lock with a Euro cylinder, so we need to hold the new lock in place against the door and make a pencil mark around the Euro cylinder hole, as it will be larger than the original keyhole. Don't forget to do this on both sides. We've used a large drill bit, but you could use a hammer and chisel to carefully remove some wood, making your keyhole larger. Again, remember to do the same on the other side. Slide the lock case into place and replace the handles and spindle. Tighten underneath with an Allen key. Secure with screws and add any handle covers. Then, holding both the escutcheons or keyhole covers to the sides of the door, take a measurement from edge to edge. This measurement tells you how big the cylinder will need to be. Remember, the cylinder you choose will need to be slightly bigger than the measurement you've just taken. In our case, our measurement was 55 mm, so we'll need a 60 mm cylinder. Slide the cylinder into the large holes you've just made, ensuring that the cam is straight as you do so, and then test to see if the lock works. Leaving the bolt locked out, secure the fore end with screws, ensuring the cylinder retaining screw is in place. Then add the cover plate. Unlock and remove the keys to give yourself room to put the escutcheons into place. As these door fittings are new, we recommend using a small drill bit to pre-drill some pilot holes for your screws. Pre-drilling will stop your wood from splitting. Then, fix in place with the screws and add any covers. Do the same on the other side. Finally, check the door closes and locks as it should. To purchase any of the materials seen here, or to find more how-to videos, visit safe.co.uk. Thanks for watching.